Hey, you are most welcome here. So today I'm going to take you through how you can get started with the OpenAI API. That's basically ChatGPT that's actually storming, that actually broke the internet a few days back. So this is the website link. I'm going to leave this in the description. So I'm going to log in here quickly. So what you shall do is just trying out as a non-developer what you can do. You can actually do text completion and all those other things. And if you're new here and this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel. So I've already created an account, as you can see, and this is my organization name and this is my account details. So let's just scroll down. You see what it can do. It can actually do image generation, embeddings, text completion, code completion, fine-tuning, training models basically. So what you're going to try out first, let's first try out text completion. So when you go to text completion, you can now scroll and for example we have classification, we have improving classifiers efficiency. There's a lot that it can actually do. Conversation, you can have a conversation with ChatGPT. You can also have generation. Let's try generation. Just have to hover here and then click open in playground. So this is just going to try out for now. We shall be seeing how we can actually get to see. Let me just remove this default. So if you're new here, my name is Ronnie Atairo, aka AfroBoyTex, and I'm glad that you chose this particular channel. So I'm going to first ask, hey, let me just submit here. When you click on submit button, so it's telling me, hey, I'm using an old version of the app. So basically I think this is now just auto completion text. So this is now its reply, as you can see. So let me just remove everything here. Just say maybe hey bro. Just say hey bro. So if it doesn't do a text completion, it automatically maybe answer you something like that. So what's up? So I'll just come and type here actually just done an auto completion for me. So let me just submit. It's actually rated, there's a rate limit, but let's try. This could be an error because there's a rate limit. You need to upgrade, but also still you need to give it what to say. For example, maybe let me remove this that's too broad and just say how I so there's a rate limit, as you can see. That's actually affecting my account because I've been trying to use this. So let me start with something else. How old are you? Let's ask ChatGPT how old. I'm 25 years old. Okay, sure, because that could be that's my age. You did guess my age. Oops, it has broken again. Yeah, but this is basically the playground that you can get started. Let's go to maybe another, because I've been using this for some time. Let me try something else. Maybe let me try the conversation part. Let me just scroll and look for conversation. So let me open this in the playground. So let me say, hey boss. I want money. Let me ask it money. Let me ask ChatGPT money and see what it says. Unfortunately, I'm not able to provide you with money, but always income or budgeting. It's now giving me ways how you can actually do a way with actually getting to have my own ways of making money. It's trying to teach me how to fish. So let me say I don't know those ways. Maybe let me say, please suggest for me. Please suggest for me. Wow. Getting a second job or starting a side hustle such as freelancing. It's just telling me what I can actually do to increase my finances, and budgeting apps, financial management. What? Wow. So let's say let me ask it, how old is it? How old are you? How are you? It has actually autocompleted. It says, how are you? So let me say, how old are you? That was my original question. How old are you? Just submit. I'm an artificial intelligence system, do not have an age. However, I was created in 2021. Wow. This is interesting. So let's try. Let me ask ChatGPT something stupid. I'm going to ask. Let me ask. Let me say, do you eat food? Let me say, do you eat food? Let me see. Wait for the rest. No, I don't eat food. I'm just a computer system and don't require food to survive. Sure. Just to be sure, those answers. Yes, I'm sure. Is there anything else I can help you with? I'm going to ask ChatGPT if it actually indexes Google. Let me, because these answers could be coming from Google or wherever, just to be sure. So let me ask ChatGPT if it indexes Google. Do you index Google? Wow, oops, our rate limit has reached. So I could just maybe let me just try to restart this. So basically I'm telling me how to upgrade. Let me see if this can do. No, I don't index Google. I'm an AI, so my primary focus is providing assistance and performing tasks related to AI. Wow. Lol. Wow, this is interesting. Bye for now. Rate limit reached. But what you can do more is actually, you can save this probably as a JSON format. You can also view the source code. Basically by default now this is .json. You can actually save these things, and let me try to go to Python. You can see that you can actually use the OS operating system module, and then the OpenAI module. I'm going to the next video is going to show you how you can actually install OpenAI. That's it. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Please subscribe. Thank you.